been?
Amazing. How about you?
I'm so good, and it's so good to see you after so long.
I was also
What has happened to
waiting.
your hand?
Oh, I hurt myself again. So I was, so I got like these bougainvillea, uh, huge pots at home. Okay, because I love bougainvillea flowers a lot. So I was helping my brother just
Mm-hmm.
lift them up, and I think I'm a little fragile person. uh, I'm a very
Okay.
fragile person. So even that weight was like a lot for my hand, and just got pushed. And now I cannot. I tried to eat roti today. Even that I could not break and eat myself. It's paining that much. So I've severely
Oh
hurt
my
myself.
God.
Yeah, just
Yes,
yesterday.
yes. You shouldn't have helped your brother. Now he would never ask you for help.
No, seriously, I totally regret it because there now so many. I cannot even type. I cannot do anything. Even logging in or putting my makeup was so difficult today. So yeah,
Oh my
I
God.
truly regret what
Is
has
it
happened.
happened recently or what?
Yeah, just yesterday, just yesterday. So
Okay, okay. Maybe that is the reason you're like it's hurting a lot. Just take care of yourself and take medicines.
thank you so much. How have you been?
I have been great. It's just that I think your session's timing has been changed, so I was not able to book a session with you due to like, of course, timings not matching. And
Mm-hmm.
fortunately, today morning I got a session with you, and I was happy. Actually, I have asked you also on
I saw
YouTube,
your
like,
message, but I cannot type right now. So I'm just trying
oh,
to see if I can have someone else type for me. I'm just after 2 3 days I'll reply everywhere. I just cannot type.
okay, okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's
Well,
fine.
I take from 5 to 10 now, so you'll find a lot of sessions available.
Okay, 5 to 10, nice. But why did you change your timings? I mean, is something happened? Uh,
Uh, no, I took a month off last month to just figure out how I can balance both my jobs. It was getting a little difficult for me to manage, so I work part
mhm.
time for that and part time for this now. I don't have a full time job anymore, so yeah.
Okay, 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 and that's why. Okay, now a lot of people can book session with you, and it's nice.
Oh, another thing, there's I had a demo session with the learner, and she told me to send her regards to you, and she said she's a huge fan. She loves your conversation, and she's like, "Ma'am, you keep speaking to Arushi, so please send her my regards." I said, "Okay, for sure."
Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless her.
Hmm, very well. So tell me, if you had the option of never aging, would you ever choose that option?
Never aging. No, yes, I got your question, and I don't think I'll choose that option.
Why?
If you would have asked this question when I was a kid, I would have chosen different answer, like yes, maybe. But then also, like, I wanted to grow up, and maybe now I'm saying this. If I was a child and you would have asked this question, I would have said yes. But then that is again a different point, because every stage we want to grow up, and we want to, and I'm a person who want change. I cannot
Who
stick
wants
with
change?
the same.
Hmm.
Who wants change? So yes, I my answer would be no.
Very well. Do you collect anything?
Yeah.
Like people collect like coins, stamp, etc. What do you collect?
Collection, no, I have no collection like stamps and coins. I don't have such kind of collections around me.
Any other thing that you collect? No? Okay. What is
Yeah.
something that you've done but you will never do again?
What is something I have done, but I'll never do again? Okay, I when I went in a, like, what we can say, mela. Oh God, I don't know what
Huh?
is the
Fun
word.
fair? When I went to a fun fair?
Fun fair.
Hmm?
Okay, I sat in that what is that?
Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel.
Yes, yes, yes. And I was screaming. I was screaming a lot. I got scared. I just sat in that because my friends were asking me, they were forcing me, but I regretted after coming down, and I was like, no, this is the first time, and I will never do this again. So yes, that's the only thing I can recall for now.
So, when you go to amusement parks, you prefer more of the water slides than the land slides?
Yes, I
I'm
prefer
the
water
same.
slides because I'm scared of height. I'm like I have a problem of like motion sickness. So that's the main reason I prefer enjoying in water slides or in water pool, swimming pool rather than in other like swings and all.
Mhm. I'm just like you. Like even here, I think there's only once I've ever been to like a water park that I remember when I was, I think, not too young. And I am like, I'm just going through all the easy ones, you know. I don't want to do something gutsy or something risky or these bungee jumping. I'm just not brave enough, I feel.
Okay, but I feel it very bad for myself because recently, we went to Manali, and my all friends did bungee jumping,
All
and
my
I was the
friends,
only one.
you
My
didn't.
all my friends.
Yeah.
What did I say?
My all
My
friends?
all
No.
friends.
All my friends?
Okay, all my friends did bungee jumping, and I was the one only who is shooting their video for like. I was the one who was standing on the like who was standing there
Mhm.
down. What should I say? I
Yeah,
was standing down.
downstairs. Yeah, you were the audience. You were just
Yeah,
taking,
I
and
was
the
the
photographer,
audience,
the personal photographer.
and yes, and I was like checking for each and every person, like, is she my friend or what? I have to record the video, otherwise they will kill me. So I have to record each and every friend's video. So that was my part, and I was like, uh, did I come here to just shoot a video or what? I felt very bad after that because they all were enjoying a lot after watching their videos, and I was feeling very bad. I thought I should have done this, but then again, I don't have that courage.
I feel you.
So,
It's the same situation. Okay.
yeah.
What is something you saw recently that made you smile?
What is something I saw recently? Okay. I think yes, no, day before yesterday's night, I went to my friend's home and I saw her sister's baby. He's super cute. He was doing like this when we say Pushpanu. He was like this, and he's just 1.5 years old, and that was the best thing for that day, and till now also. So I just recall that
Mm,
it was a lot of fun, and I have videos also, so I keep watching and keep smiling. So
mm.
yes, that was the recent thing.
Kids are adorable, really. You forget all your worries when you just keep looking at kids playing or doing all these silly things, and they will keep eating and making a mess everywhere or playing in the sand. I really
Absolutely.
like it when kids play in the sand, you know, and make themselves like completely dirty. I'm like, wow, these kids look good.
Wow, come on, please, it's not wow.
I love it.
uh No, 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 you cannot love it because on Wednesday night only, I was playing with my sister's kid, and he was playing with sand only all over the place. And I was trying to pick him, and he was like running, 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 and I got irritated. I was like, what are you doing? It was very, yes, he was not listening to me, and I pissed off.
Oh, no, I do, and I do a very crazy thing, you know. So my relatives will hand over the kids to me, and they'll be like, you know, please take care of them, make sure that they don't get dirty and all of that stuff. I will take them to like a
Hmm.
sand pit or something, and I'm like, go play, go do whatever you want, just
Do
make
whatever
them
you want.
completely dirty.
Wow.
And then I tell the parents, I didn't know this. I'm so sorry. I didn't know that they did this. You know, this kid wasn't
Wow.
listening.
Smart, huh, Jill?
I
But I
really
know
like it.
why you, but I know what you do this because you know that after a kid is messed up, you're not going to clean that up, and you don't need to take that responsibility. That's why you're like, do whatever you want.
Like I can see
It's
the
nice.
kids like putting sand on themselves. I'm like, enjoy, like do whatever you want.
Nice, but yes, they enjoy a lot playing with sand and
Me
yes,
too. I enjoy it too. That's why I don't stop anybody.
right.
Okay. What's your process of turning a bad day into a good one?
Process of turning a bad day into a good one. There are lots of things. Depends how bad the situation is. Like listening to your favorite music. That is a very easy. That is the easiest one
True.
because that turns on your mood. Like, turn on your mood or turns on
It's
your mood.
better to say that, makes your mood better or lightens your mood.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
that lightens your mood.
Yeah.
That is the first one. And the second one, if I am not feeling good or feeling not feeling energetic or just not feeling good in the night, so I take a walk.
Mhm.
That's the one thing works for me all the time, like walking for 15 to 20 minutes and I start feeling better at least.
Mm.
So yes, and again talking to favorite person or a person who can cheer you up and or the one who knows you better. So these are the things. These are the my things. What about you?
Very well. I agree with your thing when you spoke about walking because it helps me a lot too. And because I have read a lot about grounding, which is walking barefoot, and it has innumerable benefits.
Oh,
You should definitely try that. As much as possible, try
yes.
walking barefoot. Whenever you see like grass or good good earth, which is like neat and clean,
Something which
right?
is not hurt,
Yeah.
which will not hurt you.
Yes.
Somewhere, uh, I
Yeah,
got you.
just try to walk barefoot because it has a lot of benefits, lots and lots of benefits because you're connecting directly with the earth. And I really like this method a lot. From time to time I
Okay.
do that too. So yeah, and music, as you told me, I think for everybody music is like this common
Yes.
factor we just
Yes.
resort to, right? Okay.
I think that is scientifically proven that music lightens your mood. So
Alleviates your
yes,
mood. Okay, you can use this word. Alleviates. Alleviates your mood.
elevates your mood.
You can
Elevates.
also say
Okay.
elevate, ELEVAT, or alleviate.
Elevate, I
ALLEVIATE.
know.
Yeah. I
Okay. Alleviates.
I will check
Yes.
again. Okay. Now suddenly I'm confused because you asked me three times. So I'm confused. But I think we use this very often. Alleviates your mood. Okay. Okay. Are you a secretive person? Like, do you have too many secrets?
Sorry.
Are you a secretive person? Do you have too many secrets with you?
Secretive. No, I'm very bad in this. Like,
I'm
and
very bad
due to
at
this,
this.
the people I'm very bad at this because due to this people start not trusting me, but I am trustworthy, but I cannot keep the secrets. So it's very confusing. Recently an incident happened, like we were teasing one of our colleague in the office, and I told him like you didn't take me to the restroom last Friday and all. He was like, who told you? And I told him directly that she told me, and everyone started looking at me. I was like, oh, मुझे नहीं बोलना था. So that was a very embarrassing thing for me. And then I said sorry to her. I shouldn't have taken her name. So that's how it is. I'm very bad at this.
Mm. Actually, a lot of
Yeah.
people who are very quite innocent and sweet-hearted, they usually don't like keeping secrets. They feel what is the need to keep any secret? Like, why can't you just say
Yeah,
everything
I thought,
directly?
yes, I think it's very casual. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I am like that. But sometimes it's not okay. So I think we should better careful about with whom we are speaking, because everybody would not take it lightly. So there would be a consequences too. So better to think
There
and
will
then
be
speak.
some consequences too.
There will be some consequences too. Okay.
Okay. If you had 1 free hour each day, what would you do with it?
one free hour each day. Uh, Apart from the things I'm doing right now, right?
Yeah.
So I think I learned classical dancing because I loved it. That's why.
Which classical
Maybe
form? Any of your state?
semi.
I've not
Semi
heard.
classical, not
Oh, semi classical.
classical is our dance form. No, I would like to learn semi classical because classical is very difficult and it takes a lot of hard work and practice. And I think you should start it from the early age or from the young age. That's why I said semi classical. At
Hmm.
least I can learn something out of it. That's why.
Hmm. I had gone for I think Kathak classes when I was younger. I was also
Okay.
interested in classical dances, so I tried Kathak, but then I found out that it's not my cup of tea, so I just left it. Like in 3 months, I left it.
Okay. Yeah, it's quite, I mean, it's up to your interest. If you're interested, I think you will do it. Or yeah,
Okay, who
that's
in
how.
your family are you most like?
um it's very obvious that mom.
Mom. Okay, which is
Yeah,
one, which
very
is one,
obvious.
which are some traits that you share with her?
mm, Mostly everything, except the things which will bother her. I share everything. And yeah, sometimes she responds to me, sometimes not. Because sometimes she understands whatever I'm saying, and sometimes she's like, "What are you saying?" But I keep talking. So that's how it is.
Oh.
Because I don't have anyone at home to share things. That's why I keep sharing with her, and yeah, she likes it too.
Hmm. Okay. So, which are some traits means the characteristics. Okay, that means, oh, I share the fact that both of us are very honest and open, or we are very caring. Characteristic traits. Okay.
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 Oh wow, you didn't stop me.
It actually you should not stop somebody even if they misunderstand the question, because you still get a very good and different insight of what they are thinking and perceiving. So it's good to listen to it completely and then make your correction, or correct your question. Oh, no, this is what I actually meant, and then they re-answer it.
Yeah.
So it's always better. I think it's always better to not interrupt someone, no matter